for you to wave your finger. You must have been out your head.
Good morning. How'd you like my stutter there? I was gonna try and say good morning in Spanish, but I completely spaced it. I know it's something mañana. Hasta mañana is like see you in the morning or something like that. But anyways, yeah, as you've noticed, I decided to change it up a little. I trimmed the little beard. And yeah, kinda like it. It's a little bit lighter. Now I'm hoping that it's gonna stay nice out so that I could go fishing maybe. But, you know, it says it's gonna rain today, so I really don't know what it's gonna do. Notice anything different? No, not really. I don't. Oh, wait. I can't see me. Yeah, I like the new do. Got all buzzed. He trimmed her up, gave her a nice shave. Nice and clean. This is my summer look. This is the nice cool summer do. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, weather permitting, I might go fishing today. Let's see what it's doing outside. Ooh, sun's peeking through. Might just be good enough. I don't know. We will see. But I will be going with Nick. You've met him. In LFB76 on the YouTube here. But like I said, he doesn't have any videos, so I'm not trying to promote the channel. I'm just telling you who he is. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I've decided, well, obviously that my first contest is over today. And you will figure out, or you will find out the winners, because I'm going to post a separate video just for that. But I'm going to hold another contest for this Punisher wallet. This is brand new. Haven't never used it. And I have just decided that I like my wallet so much better. So I am going to hold a contest, and that will be the prize. I do not know what it is yet, but it will be its own video. So be looking forward for that. Or if it hits me, it might be up before this video, but I doubt it. Well, I'm up. And it, I don't know, kind of looks like it's not going to be too bad out. Kind of iffy. But, I am going to head out and hope for the best. I've got about an hour or two. Go get the boat. Go get the life jackets from Sam, who forgot him in his truck, which I did like 5 times. First 5 times I did that. And then go get the life jackets from him, and then see what time it is then. And if it's still got enough decent time, then I gotta shoot up the highway to Gander Mountain, then turn around, well, not turn around, but kind of angle back up towards Excelsior. Yeah. But I got my new check card in the mail, the one with the new picture of my car on it, and I got a platinum check card now. So, upgrade? Yeah, cool. That was kind of a cool little thing. But I think the picture of my car looks really cool on it. Nick found me at the market. Over here, Lakeshore Market. And it's, as you can see, it's still kind of wet out here. but I'm hoping that it blows over. We're still gonna go out. So, little rain never hurt anybody. Rain is a good thing.
Whip a shitty!
Now this is where the shit is at.
Oh, we got the toys out today. Look, we got the Camaro, four-wheeler, pickup, the boat, the car, and that open bay right there. Oh, there's the corner of it. That's my beast. Oh yeah, look at that. Just dying here. Well, surprisingly, I did a decent amount of things, and I only recorded one of them. Because when we went out fishing, it was actually still raining pretty damn good. So I was like, oh, I'm going to leave the camera and my cell phone, anything electronic in the car. Then of course halfway through halfway through the time we were out there, it just cleared up and got nice, and the lake just turned just glass. It was just beautiful out there. And I had left the camera and my sunglasses in the car, thinking, oh, it's going to be rainy and crappy. But, oh well, we didn't catch anything anyway, so there's nothing worth recording. And like I said earlier, I will have the contest video winners, the contest winners video up. And yeah, I will also message each of you that have won. There's a top 3, so be looking for a message soon. And thanks for playing that contest. And as soon as I come up with something for the second contest, I will post that. But that'll be a little down the line. So, until next time.